Good day, everyone. So we are now doing the program ones. We have the materials of Arduino, LCD display, end wires, and the USB cable for Arduino. So first, put the jumping wires at the LCD display and pin it to the Arduino. SDA and SCLS in pin A4 and A5 of the Arduino and the ground and power from LCD display to Arduino Uno. Put the USB cable and we are now running the code. It's already uploaded. And after the compiled code, the output will be peace, love, and code. Wait for the output. As you can see, we have the peace, love code with their symbols. Second is program 2. We have the LDR, two LDRs, two resistors, 220 ohms resistors, and the LCD display, Arduino Uno, USB cable, and jumping wires. Put the first wire at ground, from resistor to ground, and the red wire is for the positive terminal. And the green jumping wires is for the connecting wires from breadboard to Arduino Uno. The program 2 will show the output of "Welcome to the PUPCPE department" and "Goodbye, see you again next time." This is the code of the program 2. It's already uploaded and compiled. Just wait for the delay. After you upload the code, as you can see, the LCD displaying PUPCPE department, but let's try the LDRs if it's working. Restart the Arduino Uno. Wait for the delay. But if you covered up the left LDR, the message will be the PUPCPE department, and otherwise is the goodbye, see you again next time. Restart and try the right LDR. The output should be goodbye, see you again. And that's it. That's it for the program 2. And now we are now at the program 3. As you can see, we have the Arduino Uno, USB cable, and the LCD, and keypad. The pins used here is from pin 8 to 10, then A0 to A2. Then let's try the code. Now let's try the program 3. 1, 1 plus 1, as the hashtag sign is for equal, and the asterisk sign is for clear. That's it for the program 3. Let's now do the program 4. We have here 7 LEDs, 7 resistors, buzzer, keypad, and breadboard, and also the Arduino and USB cable. First, put the 7 LEDs at breadboard. Program 4 is password driven piezo buzzer. So the condition of this is if the password is correct, it will buzz off the correct musical tone, and the running LED will light from left towards right. Otherwise, it will display the incorrect running LEDs, together with a sound off from the buzzer, and ask again to the user to enter the correct password. So this will provide 3 trials for entering of the correct password. At the last attempt, if still the password is incorrect, Arduino will disable the keypad. It should display the corresponding prompts such as enter your name, enter your password, access denied, attempt already, welcome. Step 2, put the resistors to the positive of the LED or the long. Let's use solid wires to connect the LEDs to the negative terminal. jumping wires to connect the breadboard and the Arduino Uno. The pins used here is from pin 2, 3, and 5 to 8 pins. After you connect the jumping wires from breadboard to Arduino Uno, put the buzzer, the positive side, to the pin 4, and the negative side of the buzzer is ground. Let's now proceed to the ground of the Arduino Uno. From ground of the Arduino Uno to negative terminal of the breadboard. This is the code of the program for. Let's just wait to compile the code. Let's now proceed to the output of the program for. Let's just wait for the delay. Restart. Restart again. If the password is correct, the LED will light up from left to right. Enter password. First, put the correct password, the 1234. Restart. Then let's try the wrong password. Attempt 1. That's it for the program 4. Let's proceed to the program 5. We have here the LCD display, Arduino Uno, USB cable, and keypad. The pins of the keypad is from 6 to 9, and the column is from A0 to A2. The rows is 6 to 9, and the columns are 10 to A2. This is the code for the program 5. Let's just wait to compile the code. Program 5 is DIY LCD keypad video games. So here I included the tone or the buzzer for the tone of the game. So the move of this is the 2, 4, 6, 8. 2 is up, 8 is down, 4 is left side, and 6 is the right side. So the condition is you need to eat the letter T using the asterisk. Left, right, down, up, down. That's it for this lab. Thank you.